Hello, Joe Chiron here with RCT Remote Certification Training. And today I'm going to go over cleaving a fiber with a high precision cleaver. So the first thing I do, I'm going to put on my glasses. I want to make sure we keep glass out of our eyes. So I'm going to take a simple cable assembly here for demonstration purposes. So we got to get down to the bare fiber. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the outside jacket. That exposes the tight 900 micron tight buffer fiber and the aramid strength member. I'm going to cut off the aramid strength member. Get that out of our way. Okay, so now we're ready. So we're going to take our 3-hole stripper and we're going to start stripping the 900 micron tight buffer off. And again, we do it in small nibbles. There we go. So you do about 30 or 40 millimeters. That's done. So now we have the exposed acrylite coated fiber, which is a 250 micron. Now we're going to have to strip that off before we can cleave it. So we take our 3-hole strippers. We use the last hole, clamp down on that, and we slide. And once we slide, now we have to clean it. So we're going to take our alcohol and our lint-free wipe. Clean off that acrylite. You can see, go like this, put the fiber in and draw it away. And that cleans off the fiber. Hear that squeak? That means it's nice and clean. Now we get our cleaver. Okay, now we have our prep fiber. It's clean. We're going to get ready to cleave it. So on our precision cleaver here, we have a scale. And this will tell us how much fiber we're supposed to take off. And it also has 3 channels in it for 3 different fiber sizes. You have the first channel is a 250 micron. The second one is the 900 micron. And the third one, actually, you can use it for 2 or 3 millimeter. So we're going to go in the middle one. So we're going to go in here and you can see there's a natural bend of the fiber. Use that to your advantage when placing into the cleaver fiber holder. So we put it in here and we draw it back. And what we're going to do is I'm going to cleave it at 16 millimeters because that's easy to see. And I'm going to pull it back so the tight buffer is right at 16 millimeters, if you can see that. Okay, then I'm going to close the shutter, and that makes the glass nice and perpendicular. The other thing you got to make sure is the fiber is across this pad as well as this pad, because when this when the top of the cleaver comes down, it's going to pinch the fiber between the pads, and it's going to put tension on the fiber. And then there's a blade in here that slides up this way, and that's actually going to score the fiber. And once the lid is taken up, the tension will be released and the fiber will break. So that's how it's done. Put this down until it clicks. Push this through. Now we bring up the lid. The fiber is cleaved. Here's our piece of fiber. Obviously, you always put it in your scrap can so fiber shards aren't laying around. And that's done. That's your cleaved fiber at 16 millimeters. Thank you.